It's the adventures of Mini Seagull! Today Mini Seagull decided to have a jump on the trampoline because he was bored as fuck and had nothing else to do. Mini Seagull likes to have a lot of fun. First, Mini Seagull decided to do a backflip. Mini Seagull landed it perfectly. Mini Seagull likes to play games on the trampoline. He has lots of fun with his friends that he doesn't have. Mini Seagull really loves you. Mini Seagull realized that he could see through the bottom of the trampoline. He has lots of fun doing this. Let's look through the bottom of the trampoline with Mini Seagull. You can't really see much, but Mini Seagull really enjoys it. We all love Mini Seagull. Mini Seagull is frightened. He has seen something. Mini Seagull is scared of the winking giant. The winking giant is sleepy. It will not harm Mini Seagull. Mini Seagull thanks you for watching the video. Subscribe.